Hi everyone, I got a new product to review. This is your alternative to the new GoPro flip mod that's coming out. This is a cheaper version of it. It's the Vlog selfie with the flip mirror screen. It's got the adapter for the mic. It's got a cold shoe on there for putting an external microphone on it. I think you're gonna like it, so let's get to it right after the video. Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews. Today I have a new product for you. It's from Minimal Scope. It's the flip mirror set for the GoPro 8. It's the Vlog selfie device. Let's take a look at the box and see what it has on there. It is a Vlog and selfie screen mirror. No need for a Bluetooth or wireless, it says, because there's no delay. It has a flip-up screen, a microphone adapter, cold shoe mount for your external microphone, a tripod mount with a 1/4-inch screw, foldable and convenient for carrying, it says, and it's water resistant. And that is about it. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. Okay. Just says thank you for shopping. All right, here we have the manual, which I'm sure I'm going to need to look at for this one. Set it off to the side. We have a part here that looks like possibly the flip screen. What we have in here, that's definitely the microphone mount. And in the bottom, we have the little adapters, the little screw-in 1/4-20. So we'll put the box over there. Okay, we'll take this out. Set the plastic there. Okay, this is the flip screen part. Comes with a thumb screw for attaching your GoPro. These are some other little screws for adjustment, I see, for the angles. This is for the top part. Now, I believe we pull on this, and it flips up. Oh, that moves to any degree, 360 degree. And there's a mirror. The mirror is what reflects back off on the GoPro so you can see yourself do selfies. As you're doing a selfie, the mirror comes up behind you, if you can see it, and reflects off the back screen onto the mirror, which is in front of you, and it works just fine. I see it very well. I see it lined up. Maybe you can, yeah, see? You can see in front of you. See what the camera sees? So that's kind of cool. It's not really that big. It's very light. So it doesn't hang out too much on the back. Pretty light. And it has our 1/4-20 screw here, so we can mount it to a handle, which I will show you. For the price, it's only $19.90 from Amazon, so that's really inexpensive. And it does work. Okay, so I have my pistol grip, which is a really nice hand grip for my GoPro with, of course, a little tripod. I'll just set it right on there and screw it down real quick. We'll see how this works. We're doing selfies. So there we are. Here's our selfie stick. Any GoPro selfie stick will work with this. So let's try out the other adapter. That's for the microphone adapter, and it has a cold shoe on it. And we'll combine the two and see just how bulky and heavy it is. Okay, so we'll open up the other adapter. Unscrew this. We'll see how quickly it works. So it says you have to unscrew this device and pull that out. Pull this off. Come over here. Mount this thing as so. Screw this guy into there. Hold on. Okay, we lined it up. And there we are. Like so. And so that must go like through here. Pushes through, we lock the camera in, we hook the cord up, like so. That's locked in. We hook the cold shoe microphone up. This is the shotgun mic. Hook it down right there. Bring our cord around. Hook it into the connector, and there you go. It has the shotgun mic on the side, which doesn't get in the frame. It has the adapter in there for the microphone, and we can hook it right up to the handle for selfies. Not so bulky. I mean, it's a little bulky. It's not heavy at all. The plastic's very light. Look at that. That is really cool. And it works. We'll set it down here so you can see it from all angles. And again, so this is the flip mirror set. It has a housing mic adapter with a cold shoe. It's for a GoPro Hero 8, 7, or 6. It solves the problem for trying to vlog and selfie with it. The picture's not delayed because it's a mirror image and you don't need Bluetooth or wireless of any type. Again, it has the 1/4-20 base for mounting it on a pole or a handle. It's very nice. It folds up. The material, of course, is plastic, so it's waterproof. I would recommend this for somebody who wants an inexpensive way to vlog. So if you think the information here was useful in helping you determine whether to buy this or any other device that I review, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below or hit the bell to the right for my upcoming videos. Again, but this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews saying thank you.